So I just want to show you guys, I actually made this custom tool. This is a 2-inch PVC coupler, and it comes with the 2-inch coupling for the PVC. So what you want to do is take the rear main seal. This is the old one. You want to place it in here. Should just kind of embeds right in. And the idea is to get this 2x4 with two M12 by 90, M12 by 1.25 by 90 bolts, right? And you're just gonna be able to spin these, right, until it just pushes the rear main seal like this. But essentially, you want the wood to push the rear main seal just like this. Super easy. This is a $15 tool that I actually configured from Lowe's, and then the bolts I picked up from a hardware store. Actually, someone helped me out and picked these up at a local hardware store because they're really hard to find. But yeah, these are the 3 pieces that you're gonna need to put the front rear main seal in the V8 4.2 Audi. So let's go ahead and try to get that on. These are too long. That's okay. Essentially, I just want to. Heck yeah. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how properly installed the front main seal should look like. The seal should not be popping out. It should be popped all the way in to make sure that you have a proper seal on that. So yeah, that's how you install a rear main seal with $15. That's a custom-made tool that you're gonna have to go to Lowe's for. Probably a different couple of our hardware stores just to find those long bolts. You could probably get away with something a little bit shorter. I wouldn't do like too short. Like this was like a good like 5-10 millimeters too long. But that's okay because I still got it to work. It still fit inside of the port there as much as I needed to for me to be able to, you know, just slowly rubber mallet it with the soft coupler there. That way we don't damage the seal at all. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.